Hey, so today I'm going to show you how the give way traffic sign works in Germany, what you need to look out for, how you need to approach this sign, and yeah, we're going to look into it, how to exactly follow this sign. Before I start to drive and actually approach the sign and show you guys how it works, let's talk about a couple of rules of it. So first and foremost would be is that you don't stop at the give way sign. You rather stop at the line that is marked on the road. Normally there's this white color line, which in German called Haltlinie, which literally means a stop line basically. So that is where you have to stop. Because sometimes this give way sign you will find very maybe 5 meters before the actual road. So if you stop at the give way sign, you won't be able to see what is the traffic situation in front of you. So you would need to drive past through this give way sign, stop at this Haltlinie, this stop line, and there you have to look out left and right, and then you can drive. Second of all, it's not a stop sign, so you don't have to necessarily stop. But in most cases you would need to stop because there might be cars in front of you. Maybe your view is blocked by any means, so that could also happen. So most of the times you would need to stop, but it's not necessarily that you have to stop. It could be that you're seeing the road is fully clear, your view is unblocked, then you can just keep driving. But I definitely recommend slowing down, looking at both of the sides, and then driving. It could also potentially happen that this stop line is completely not visible. It rusted out, it wiped out. Obviously the cars drive over it all the time, so it sometimes gets rusted and wiped out, so you kind of don't even see it, or even if you see it, it's just a little bit. But if you completely don't see it, you will still have this feel. You will feel it where you exactly need to stop, because yeah, that can only be done by the feel. Actually, you would just feel it that you need to stop right at this line, like in this invisible line that is just right before the cars on at the front side of the road. So let's begin, and let me show you guys how this works. So we're going to have actually a couple of give way signs right in front of us almost. First of all, I would just need to wait here because there are cars coming from the left side. Once they are gone, then I'm going to start driving. Indication. Right, so let's go now. So this is the first give way sign. Here we see a pedestrian way. So right in front of us is a pedestrian way. So we're gonna actually just slow down here, look left, look right. Pedestrian way is clear, no pedestrians are there. Now we can drive because there were no cars, and yeah, that's how it should be. So now give way sign is coming in, pedestrians are in front of me. I'm going to let them let them go, because that's what you should do. And now we're going to stop at this line because I can't see. Now I can check and there are no cars, so we're gonna drive away. So right in front of us there's another give way sign. Let's pass through this. So here's the give way sign. I have passed through it, and now there's the stop line. So I literally can't see on the left and right side because the parked cars are blocking my view. So here I'm going to be very slow. Left, right, everything looks good. Yeah. So now we're going to move ahead. So we're seeing another give way sign here, but we're going to completely ignore that because there's a traffic light. So we're going to follow the traffic light, and I will keep driving because there's this green arrow, which we can also talk about in another video, but not right now. That's another rule. So we're going to drive here. So for example, that in this scenario we have a car right in front of us. So first we have to just do an indication to the left side, and then an indication back to the right side, And then we don't have to stop at the sign actually. We have to stop at the line. We're gonna stop here, we're gonna look left and right, and then now we're gonna continue driving. Another very important thing is that sometimes this give way sign is attached to another sign. For example, with a bicycle sign having arrows towards both directions, kind of saying that bicycles could come in either way, from left or right. So in that kind of scenario, you don't have to look out just for cars, but you would need to look out for bicycles as well. So first you look left and right, see if there are any bicycles coming in. If not, you move forward, then you stop at the stop line if you have to. And if you see that there are no cars, no bicycles, you can obviously move forward. But if you see there are some cars coming in, then you have to take care of the cars as well. But in that kind of scenario, you would need to take care of two things: bicycles and cars. So just make sure that you follow that. So we have another give way sign right here. So moving towards the stop line, looking left, looking right, all looks good. We're gonna move forward. So yeah, and like we've seen as well, that there are sometimes this pedestrian way as well in front of you before the road. So you need to take care of not just the cars but the pedestrians as well. So that is very important that you take care of. In Germany, pedestrians have a lot of priorities, and like there are a lot of paths where pedestrians would have priorities. So just make sure that you look out for them. So we're approaching a give way sign again. Let's just clearly look exactly what you need to do again. So as we approach, first I'm going to start to slow down. And since it's a busy road, as we can see, many cars just are passing by, we definitely would have to stop, but not stopping here at the traffic sign, rather stopping at the line. So I'm going to stop here, and now there are no cars on the left and right side. We're going to drive away. So that's how you follow this traffic sign properly. You need to go to the right hand side. So we're going to already start to slow down, but you don't stop here. Like, this is the sign. I'm stopping at the wrong place at the moment, just to show you guys. You guys need to stop at this line. So now I'm at the line. So now I've stopped, looking left, looking right, everything looks good, driving away. So as you guys can see, there's a give way sign next to the traffic light, but we don't have to follow that. We're gonna follow the traffic light instead, because traffic lights have priority over these traffic signs. But in case that was off, the traffic light completely, which usually could happen at midnight time, then you need to follow the traffic sign. So that's also very important. So that was about it on the give way traffic sign. Please consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video and commenting. That will help me make more videos like this, helpful videos for you guys. So see you in my next video.